My school. My school is Lexicon International School, located in Kandy. There are approximately 3,000 students and 100 teachers in our school. It has 2 grounds, an IT lab, a science lab, a canteen, a Tamil room, a library, and a school bookshop. Our principal is Mrs. Damunapala, and the administrator is Mr. Damunapala. The discipline masters are Mr. Abarathna and Mr. Dean. Our school is a mixed school with both girls and boys from different religions. We receive an excellent education, excellent classes, and other great facilities. I love my school very much.